how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, beauty, makeup tutorials, hauls, reviews, unboxings, and all kinds of things for everyone. So today I'm super excited because I have been dying to order from Kryolan. Kryolan is a special effects makeup brand. They're super cool and I saw that they had a mystery box. And if you've watched my previous videos before, you know that I love mystery boxes because you kind of get a little bit of everything. You can see what the brand is about, you can test some products, and they're usually like full-size items. So today we're gonna be unboxing some Kryolan and I'm super excited. So throughout the video, if you like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as it would really help me out as a small influencer, small YouTuber. Don't forget to check out my other social media down below. They'll pop up right here, and I also will have them listed in my description box below. I will also have the products in the box listed down in my description below, and I will link the website for you of Kryolan in my description as well. So let's hop into the video. Okay guys, so this is my box. It's huge and it feels really heavy. I have no idea what's in here, but I'm super excited. I did order a couple things myself. I think I ordered a foundation from them and I ordered some colored spray for my hair. I ordered a green color. We're gonna see what's in this huge box. I hear stuff rattling around and there's so many things in here. So I'm just gonna open it and we're gonna go for it. Oh my God. I feel like they sent me their whole entire store. Oh my God. You guys have to see this. So first thing right off the bat is I see a bunch of like paper things. So it talks about Kryolan, blah, blah, blah. They're listed in San Francisco, which is where I'm from. I'm very close to San Francisco. So it's kind of cool that they're very close by. Online workshops, a color correction book, and like how to properly color correct your face, a bald cap booklet of like how to properly put on bald caps. I mean, I already know how to put on a bald cap, but that's just really cool because I know a lot of people don't know how to do that. And I actually got a request to do that, so stay tuned for a future video of how I apply bald caps and just everything about that. This booklet, this looks really cool. La Bendige Masque. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, so it just talks about like their workshops and their dates. Oh, and then they sent me this gorgeous Makeup International book or like magazine. It's really thick and it's nice and heavy duty. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at this. That's really sick. God, this is like a coffee table book. This is really pretty. And then let's see. Okay, so here's a note. Thank you for placing an order with us today. We've included a complimentary full-size product from our mystery box. Ooh. Collection that we hope you will add some creativity to your makeup collection. We realize that it might not be your exact shade, and if that's the case, we hope you'll find someone in your life who it will work for. All of these products are new, but may come without a box or a tired box. If you're looking for a great deal, be sure to try one of our mystery boxes in beauty or FX styles. So I got the FX mystery box. Let's make that clear right now. So this is the special effects makeup box. These are hand packed and guaranteed to be twice the value. And I freaking believe it because this box is fucking huge. Okay, so let's get into it. I already see the products that I ordered, so I'm gonna go over those first. So here is the Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation. So this is what the box looks like. Really cool. And I got the shade 014. They didn't have a color match thing on their website, but I'm pretty sure that this This actually might be a little light, I'm not gonna lie. This is what the bottle looks like. It's glass, it's really nice. Let's see, I think these are the words this way. This looks really nice. Digital Complexion Fluid Foundation. So I'm gonna have to do another video for you guys going over what I think about this product. It sounded really sick when I was reading the description, and I was needing a new foundation anyway. So I thought, why not try from Kryolan, because they're bomb. So that's what I ordered myself. And then the second thing that I ordered myself, like I said, I ordered the color spray in the color green. This is for wigs and your hair. It's just like a spray can of paint, and I wanted to have, there's a look that I wanted to do. I'm not going to give anything away, but I needed this for the look that I wanted, so I thought I would give it a try. Okay, let's get into the mystery box. Ooh. Oh my god, they sent me, this thing is full. This is packed full. So this first thing, it says cake makeup. This is, cake makeup is a stainless compact makeup specially intended for body makeup. The base contains valuable ingredients. Apply cake makeup with a damp sponge. Oh, so is it like water activated paint? The case is really cool. And it just kind of twists off. Smells very powdery. Did I show you guys the inside? This is the inside. It looks really cool. The next thing I got is Kryolan Bruise Cream. Ooh, this is in the shade Bile. So this is what this looks like. Ooh. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's got like a yellowish tint to it. Ooh. Ooh, it smells kind of like baby powderish. This looks really cool. Oh, I already see, like, I don't know if you can see it, there's like a yellowish tint to my skin. That feels really nice on the skin. This is sick. Okay, so it's a bruise cream for naturalistic hypodermic blemishes. And then I got another bruise cream. This is in the shade Plague. Ooh, it's like a blue shade. It feels really nice on my skin. It's kind of like oily, but it feels like super smooth after you apply it. Looks like they sent me a bald cap, which is always nice to have. I always seem to run out of bald caps, and then I make my own with saran wrap. Oh, I got another cake makeup. This one is in green. Ooh, this is sick. I'm so excited. I feel like I don't deserve this. They like sent me so much stuff. I got some blonde crepe hair, which is really cool. I just bought some crepe hair and I don't have blonde. I think I bought black, brown, and white. So this is what this looks like. So what crepe hair is you can use it for like facial hair. A lot of people do it the wrong way and they just use the braid, but you're actually supposed to like pull it apart, and you can cut it, you can color it, and you stick it on your skin with adhesive. It's really cool, and I'm really happy that they sent me a blonde shade. Always really nice to have when creating certain characters, and yeah, I'm really pleased with this box so far. Ooh. Oh, cool. They sent me a prosthetic, but it looks like it's like a gash. Like you can kind of see in the picture here what it looks like. So there is that. And then they sent me, oh wow, what is this? Liquid Brightness Body Makeup. And this is in the shade Copper. Oh, it's not really picking up that great on camera, but this is like shimmery. Oh my god. That looks so cool. I can like tan myself with this. How cool is that? And it's like glistening. It's not picking up on film, but it's like very shimmery. Oh, can you see it on my finger? It's so shiny. This is cool. I feel like they sent me way more than like one full-size item. I am not worthy, Kryolan. I am not worthy. Wow. I see a lot of pencils. They sent me a contour pencil. This looks like it's like in a purple shade. Can you see that? Very cool. This is a theater cosmetic. I can't read shade names. I don't think they're shade names, but this is like a greenish color. Then this is a face liner pencil. Ooh, I could definitely use this for my body paints to outline stuff. It's like a blue, like a dark blue shade. And then they sent me another theater stick. Yeah, so they sent me 2 of these green ones. So this is the same as that first shade that I swatched. Then they sent me Supra Color. That's all that it says. It looks like this. It's in a little plastic thing, and it looks like I can put it in my own palette. So it's like a magnetic. Yeah, it has like a sticky on the bottom, but this is what it looks like. I think it's another cream makeup. Yeah, it feels like their cream makeup blend. Let's see, where can I put it? There we go. Yeah, so that's cream makeup. And can I just tell you, I think this box was like 30 bucks for all this stuff. I don't know if they saw I was like a first time buyer. I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. So they sent me a color wheel, which is really cool. This one is called this is the Burn and Injury wheel. So it's going to be like another cream base, and then it has all these shades. So there's like this purpley one. There's going to be, of course, like red ones. There's a red one. Here's like a pink one. Here's like a magenta, like maroonish. Ooh, yeah, that's bright kind of one. Here's like a, where can I put it? Here's like a green one. And then the middle one, this is like a black shade. Yeah, it's like a darker shade. Very cool. So they sent me this huge color wheel. Okay, the next thing I got is this little guy. And this is a ultra foundation. Let's see. So I'm guessing this is like a, oh, I thought it was gonna be powder. It's not. This must be the color that they were talking about. Yeah, this is kind of light for my skin, but maybe I can use it as like a concealer. But it's like a creamy kind of foundation in this little thing. And then they sent me some nose putty, which I saw this on their website and I thought it was really cool. So essentially I'm guessing it's like scar wax. So it's to alter like your nose and make it like a different shape and kind of change it. But it comes like this, but you can mold it like with your fingers. So it's like a waxy substance. So this is their nose putty. And then they sent me like all these little Supra colors. Let's see. So this is a Kryolan Supra color. This is in the shade D154. Ooh, so it's more like cream makeup. Very cool. So this is that shade. Ooh, that's fun. And then I got this Supra color. It's color 626C. It's like a, ooh, this is like a thicker one. This is like a thick brown. So this is all like cream makeup. And then they sent me this, it says aqua color. It has a different color than the other ones. Ooh, I think this is a water activated paint, because it's not really coming off on my finger. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like, it smells really good. This one is in the shade 406. This is like a light shade. and I can't really get it on my finger because I'm pretty sure you have to use it with water. So there's like a skin color, like tan, like my skin color, and then here's like a green one that's really pretty. Oh my god. These look like lipsticks, but I don't think that they are. I think this is for your face. I have an orange shade and I have a white shade. So yeah, I'm guessing this is for your face. Yeah. Very cool. So it is kind of like a lipsticky kind of feeling. It's a little bit thicker. Definitely, I think this is for like highlighting, to be honest. I think this is like a white kind of face highlighter. And then here's the orange one. It's like a bright orange. Yeah, very cool. And then we got some Zwerble Paste in the shade Black. Pomade. Then the rest is in German. Zwerble Paste. What is Zwerble Paste? This is what the box looks like. My hands are all colorful. That's what it looks like. Hungarian mustache wax. And then, ugh. It feels very nice. Again, I'm gonna have to, I've never heard of mustache wax before. I mean, it's coming off nice with my wipe here. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I like it. That's all that they gave me in my box. Oh, and there's another product in the box. And they sent me some fixing spray. Oh my god. So this is to keep your makeup in place. Very, very cool. Wow. I want to see what it smells like. Maybe it smells like that powdery stuff. No. That smells good though. I am so floored everything that they sent me. This is ridiculous. I'm definitely gonna order from them again. They sent me so much stuff. Like I said, this was the special effects mystery box that I bought on their website, and oh my god, like everything is just, they packed this box full. No joke. I've never had a mystery box that had so many things in it. Definitely stay tuned for future videos where I use all this stuff. And you guys, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok, especially on Instagram, because I post all of my still shots from my looks on my Instagram. And in the Instagram description, I list all of the products that I use. So when I go to create new looks, I'm going to be using a lot of this stuff. So if you're curious to see like what some of the stuff is, definitely check out my Instagram and look at the descriptions of my makeup looks, because I post everything in there. Up to this point, everything has been Mayron, because that's mostly all the paints that I use, and I use everything from Mayron, but since Kryolan sent me all of this stuff, well, I paid for it with my own money, but you know what I mean, they packed the box full of stuff. So just keep a lookout of my looks in the future for going forward. I would really appreciate it. Follow me on TikTok. Everybody has been super supportive, and I appreciate those of you who support me on my Instagram and TikTok and here on YouTube. I so appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun. I think this is the most fun I've had unboxing on my channel. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you see, again, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you think if you've tried any of these things. Make sure to check out my other videos that pop up on the sides, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on anything that I put out next. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.